Hello everyone, I'm back here with Cooking with Miss Layc. You know Starbucks have the best drinks. And the last time I went to Starbucks and bought a drink, I was upset. I was like, you know what? I'm sick of Starbucks. I know I can do this. And it's not gonna be Starbucks, it's gonna be Miss Layc's. Okay, here I am with some lemonade, fresh squeezed lemonade with a little bit of pineapple juice in there. Then I got fresh pineapple. Then I had some fresh strawberries. But I'm gonna make a strawberry puree with that. That's why I'm using my Ninja. Yes, I'm gonna put a lot of sugar because it's supposed to be sweet. I think I'm gonna put the pineapple in with the lemon juice and the ice when I puree it. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Lord, this thing gonna be good.